Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the FPS counter in any Steam game that you're playing. So if you're playing your games in Steam and want to have this FPS counter showing, this is going to allow you to see performance. Then I'm going to show you how you can turn this on within the Steam settings. To do that, go ahead and click the Steam on the upper left hand side and go into the settings. From the left hand side, you want to go to in-game and you want to scroll down and look for the option that basically says overlay performance monitor, show performance monitor. If this is turned off, go ahead and turn this on and you can choose wherever you want it to be. So I'm going to say, for example, I want it to be in the top left or the top right. You can go ahead and choose wherever. Once you do that, you will now see an option appear towards the bottom that shows the performance detail level. You want to ensure that this is set to FPS, possibly single value. You can change it as well. They have more options, but I'm going to stick with the single value right there. And from here, you can always go ahead and adjust text size scaling. You can adjust the text contrast, saturation, and even the background opacity if you want that to not be so bright and you want to just have a glimpse to see what it is. And so that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.